Want your Stripe payments to automatically become QuickBooks invoices? I made this automated workflow in less than 10 minutes. I created it using a pre-built workflow in CloudQix, and here's how you can too. First, make sure that your Stripe and QuickBooks accounts are connected to CloudQix. Since I've already linked my QuickBooks account, you can see I've selected the account here. This needs to be connected for the workflow to work. I'll start by selecting the pre-built workflow in CloudQix. As you can see, all the workflow nodes are already mapped out for us to use. So I'm opening the first node called Source. This is the Stripe webhook. Here, we need to add our signed key from Stripe so the workflow can validate the webhook event. I go to my Stripe webhook developer dashboard and copy the signed key. Back in CloudQix, I paste the key into the field here and submit. Let's open the next node. This node pulls the customer's data directly from Stripe's webhook. The next node uses the info to search for them in QuickBooks using the primary email address. Now, node 4 introduces a condition that checks if a customer already exists in QuickBooks or not and creates two different outcomes. Let's look at both paths. If the customer exists, the workflow skips customer creation and goes straight to generating an invoice. If the customer doesn't exist, it automatically creates a new customer record in QuickBooks, then generates the invoice. Both of these conditions are already mapped out for you in the pre-built workflow. Now, let's test the workflow. I go over to Stripe and create a test transaction. I click the create icon on the top right corner and select payment. Here, I fill out test transaction details, then click submit payment. Now let's switch over to QuickBooks. In the dashboard, I go to select customers, then customers again from the customer hub. Here, I'm able to locate the test transaction I created. Now let's click into invoice. Here, you can see the newly created invoice. Back in CloudQix, I can open the log or workflow logs for details and see that it's successfully ran. That's it. Your Stripe payments now turn into QuickBooks invoices automatically. I hope you found this video useful. What other workflows should I build next? Want to try it for yourself? Comment below or create your own CloudQix account and start automating today.